Rajkumar ma'am stepping into the field of education where people like ma'am truly can bring a huge difference in this whole community of education. Ladies and gentlemen, give it to Ashwini Punit Rajkumar ma'am. Alright, I would also request Milana Nagraj to join us. Nammani Milana Preethiya Milana avaru and a new mother too, and a happy birthday girl. Thank you so much Milana avare. You know, one of the most respected Sandalwood actresses, I can say. Beautiful films, a producer too, and a gracefully looking mom. Nobody believes that you're a mom. Okay, how's your baby? Okay, Huttu Habbada Hardika Shubhashayagalu. Thank you so much. And I also request my founder and managing director, Ms. Sunita Gowda, on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, she has a lot of fans, huh? An educationist with 20 years of experience, the chairman of Delhi Public International School, running and having more than 10,000 children under her belt. Let me welcome our another director, Shruti Kiran, on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Shruti Kiran on stage. And finally, our biggest strength in the academics, I would like to welcome our Chief Academic Officer, Stella ma'am, on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. A lady with 35 years of experience in the education field, changed millions of lives. Okay, so I would like to request Ashwini ma'am to say a few words. I know ma'am doesn't like this, but still.
Good evening, everybody. Firstly, I'd like to thank all of you for having assembled here. I would like to say that the response for Junior Tours International Preschool has been incredible. We will be opening about 12 centers, including one in Mysore. Our centers are not just centers of learning, but also transformation and exploration. Thank you all for your support, and thank you once again.
Thank you so much, ma'am. ನಮ್ಮದೊಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕನಸು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋದಾಗ that moment I still can't remember when I and Sunita ma'am went to Ashwini ma'am, you know, sharing this dream of ours that we want to bring a chain of schools which will make a difference. And 2 ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ we want to go in mainstream of K-12 schools as well. So when we went in to speak to ma'am about this, it was not easy to convince ma'am. It was not at all easy. It took a lot of stress and struggle, but I'm so glad we were able to make Ashwini ma'am believe in this dream. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪು ಸರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕನಸಿತ್ತು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗೋ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಟೋಸ್. ನೌ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ our gorgeous Milana to speak a few words.
Hi everyone, namaskara. Good evening everybody. Firstly, Smriti, thank you so much for having me here today. It's my honor. Junior Tours, firstly, the name itself is so cute, just like the kids who came on stage. Bada muddagide. And as Smriti said, it was so hard to convince Ashwini ma'am anta one thought tagondu hodaga. And when we were newcomers, when we went to Appu sir, he was always there for us. I think likewise Ashwini ma'am is also there for a lot more entrepreneurs like this. ಸೊ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇವಾಗಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಹಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, ಫರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ ಎಟ್ಸೆಟ್ರಾ. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ವಿ ವರ್ ಸೋ ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನಸೆಂಟ್, ನೈವ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜನ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ. So I think the kids are going to fall under the right hands, the right place. I'm super happy. ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಬಹಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಗಿಡ ನೆಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲೂ ದ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ದ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪುಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸೊ ಮಚ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ ಟು ಡೆವಲಪ್ ದ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೋ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟುಡೇ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ನೋಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ I just think that this is going to be, you guys are already in 11 centers, 12 centers. This is not a joke. They're just starting. So this is just the beginning. I think you guys are going to do great, and I want to wish all the very best. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಫುಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಮೇಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I am super happy to be sharing the stage here, and congratulations, and I wish all the very best.
Thank you so much, Milana. That was really kind of you. So, just a few words from our founder. It's her brainchild, it's her vision, it's her who started this dream. So, give her a big round of applause. Just a quick few words, another 2 minutes, we will be done.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Firstly, I would like to thank Milana Nagaraj for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion. And without audience, definitely this event would have not been so successful. So thank you so much for each one of you for gracing this occasion, and thank you so much for the entire team. I know it was only a short period for us. It was only 3 days, but the effort of the team is unbelievable. So hats off and a huge round of applause to each and every staff of Junior Toast. And thank you so much. Have a nice day.
Thank you so much, Sunita ma'am. Quickly, our director who's joined the crew.
Finish it off in the one sentence. In Junior Toast, we want to make a biggest contribution for the country. Nam Junior Toast kadeyinda, I would request each and every parent to visit the centers. We are already in 12 centers, and so I would request all of you to visit the centers and explore our Junior Toast. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So, Malleshwaram, RR Nagar, Rajaji Nagar, Vijay Nagar, HSR Layout, Harloor, Indra Nagar, Mysore, miss Malleshwaram, Hetsarghatta Road, HSR Layout, RFB Dollars Colony, Acharya Junior Toast. Did I leave anything? Plus 600 more franchises here to make a difference, and we believe that every single child out there has that potential. So finally, I would like to request Stella ma'am to speak a few words before we go ahead. Have you all done with the lucky draw? Once again, you have another 2 minutes. If you have a child less than 5 years, we have a lucky draw there. One lucky child gets a free admission. And after this 17 days, we are in the Kids Fun League, powered by Cartoon Network, here in Oran Mall outside. You can visit our center. You can visit our stall as well. Okay? Here we go, ma'am.
Namaskara, Bengaluru. Can I hear it? Yes. It's not rightly said that it takes a village to build a child. So I would say Junior Toast is not a school. It's a village which will cultivate or nurture the respect, honesty, integrity, critical thinking. So please be a part of our journey, embark with us and be a part of this, I would say, a magnificent adventure that we are starting. And I would end by quoting Robert Frost. We have started the journey today. We have taken the first step. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but we have promises to keep. And long to go before we sleep. Long to go before we sleep. So kudos, team Junior Toast. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Here we go, presenting the woman power behind the Junior Toast. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen. We look forward to meeting you very soon in our center. Do visit, okay? So,
This event wouldn't have been possible if this lady here had not put in. I think it's been day in and day out that she has worked to make this event possible just within 2 or 3 days. So I think a big round of applause. And I also want her to speak a few words.
I've been speaking a lot. I think being a CEO of Junior Toast, it's a huge responsibility by itself, because the name speaks Ashwini Punit Rajkumar, right? And it's not a small responsibility, it's a very, very huge responsibility. And in fact, we work day in and night, not just for keeping up the name of Junior Toast, but also uplift our Appu sir's name. And we ensure that we keep that responsibility. Now, ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನ ನಾವು ಖಂಡಿತ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಪ್ಪು ಸರ್ ಹೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಟೋಸ್ ಏನು ನೀವು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಟೋಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಸಿಟಿಸನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅವರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ. ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ Junior Toast kid will be a very good citizen of our country. That is my promise to all of you. Thank you so much. So can we have the lucky dip? And we'll see who that lucky kid is. Don't worry, one lucky tip, we will take it now. But it will stay here till 10 o'clock in the evening and 17 days in that stall outside, okay? So can we have the lucky draw box, please? Okay, now there are so many entries. Alright, it's going to stay here. Those who have not put in, don't worry, it's going to stay here till 10 o'clock in the evening. Okay, you can put in later and we'll select one more child. That's my promise. Okay, ready? Let's do this. Milena? Let's do it. Okay, so ma'am will read this. This is not the lucky winner. This is for the hampers, okay?
Child's name Rutvik S.
We have them here. Rutvik, yes. And let's do the next one.
Music.
10. Dr. Rajat Agarwal. The child's name? Atar Agarwal. So we do have the contact number because since morning we are here. So let's take few more. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Take it, take it. Can I have it? Okay. So it is
It's Vanshika.
Vanshika. Parents' name, Miksha Gupta. Don't worry, we have your contact numbers if your number is not coming up here. Alright, we will call you up. And if your name is here, please visit our center, meet our CLOs, center heads here. Talk to them and you can visit our center for a very exciting gift. Right, ma'am? Alright, here we go. That's Kiana. Who's Kiana? Okay, so we have Kiana and then Shruti. Alright, so how much we are done? That is Hanvita Shirashvi. Are they here? Hanvita Shirashvi. It's you? Congratulations. Please meet our team here, okay? Give them a big round of applause. Can we pick few more, please? From the bottom? Yes? Okay. Danvin, child of Asha. Ashain. Are they here? Danvin? No? Alright, we are having this here. And how many are there? 6 and this is 7th one. Jintya Avani. Jintya Avani is here. Give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. 7. Another 3 and then 1 lucky winner. Krupal Hechen. Is Krupal Hechen here? Krupal Hechen? We'll definitely call you from since morning they've been putting this. Chanakya Swan. Are they here? Chanakya Swan? Alright. Okay, congratulations sir. Please meet our team after this. 9. And the last one for Goody. Harish E. Nayak. Congratulations Harish E. Nayak. And the kid's name is Dhwani H. Nayak. Dhwani? Dhwani is here. Okay. Are you ready for that one kid? Okay, so can we have Ashwini ma'am and Milena to pick one from inside somewhere? No, take it. You have already taken it. But one condition. We'll try 3. If the child is here, that priority will be given. Is that okay? Yeah? We'll try 3. And if the first child is here, let's see. Naveen Kotari. Are they here? They'll still get a gift. Naveen Kotari? No? Let's do this one more time. No, this is... The child's name, okay, this is not considered because it's 13 years. They'll just still put it. This is Yashmit Reddy. Let's do one more. Kotari is here? Okay. Okay, let's do one last. Yeah, it's there. Okay, that's 13 years, right? Okay. One more. Okay, hopefully this is the one. No. This is... Okay, the kid is here. Let's do this. By mistake, I put three. Can we have the kids here? No, they have to be here. Sorry, they have to be here. I'm really sorry about that. Okay, let's pick the final one. We're hoping the kid is here. Bhavya Upadhyay. No? Okay, we'll pick another one. Let's build this curiosity now. Okay, so here we go. Mohammad Ahram. The child has to be here. Mohammad, is he here? No? We are going to give the gift here, for sure. Okay, we'll do last two. If not, we'll freeze this, okay? The parents there who have just put it, right? How many of you are here? All right, this is Sneha's daughter, Raghavi. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. We have the mother here. Where's the child? Child is here? Okay, fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, give it a big round of applause. Can we have the kid also? Yeah. Okay, come. You're here, no? Kid is here, it's fine. She was sitting here on the chair. Congratulations. Which center would you like to choose, ma'am?
Rajaji Nagar.
Rajaji Nagar! Ladies and gentlemen, the inauguration of all the 11 centers is done. Tomorrow we have Acharya Center launch. Tuesday we have Acharya Center launch. And May 23rd, we have Rajaji Nagar Center launch. I invite all of you to be a part of it. So congratulations, we have an admission. And your kid's name? Raghavi. Give them a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Can we clear this? Thank you so much. Finally. Can I request the team? Thank you so much, Milana. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, everyone on stage. Thank you so much, ma'am. Please meet our team. They'll help you with that. Sit this team. Okay. Who are we? Before I end, I would like to, you saw just 5 of us, but I would like to call our academic team, Ashwini, Renu, and we also have Shruti, who are the biggest strength to prepare all these children for today's event in just 2 days. You hear me that? Just 2 days. They have put in a lot of words, and I would like to call upon my non-teaching staff and my biggest strength, Megha and Disha also, who put in a huge efforts to this event. Please come on the stage. And ladies and gentlemen, here you see our biggest strength, the faces of Junior Toes. Can we welcome the team Junior Toes on stage? Give them a big round of applause. When you go to the center, you'll meet them. And I also would like to request our franchisee partners, Indranagar franchisee partner Malini ma'am, Anu ma'am, Mysore, Vanita, Shalini, our HR, to bring all of them together. The HR played a very big role. Give her a big round of applause. And Nelabangla franchisee partner Dhanavi, and we have
Harloor franchising partner Shilpa. We have STEMX as one of our part of the curriculum. That is robotics. I'm sure you've seen this dog in the IPL. Have you? How many of you have seen this in IPL? Can one of you give him a high five?
ಮುಂದೆ ಮೊಬೈಲ್
Will you give a high five? Turn this side.
ಏ ಹೋಗ
Doggy. What's his name? Nothing else. A charge hogbididante like that. He has to go back to IPL match today. Yesterday he's so tired in RCB match. He must be dancing too much. Yes, yes, yes. Thank you so much, Laika. Go back. Okay, ready? All right. So presenting Junior Toast team to all of. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks for coming on stage. Thank you.